Okay, hello. Today I'll be telling you how to get Canva Pro for free. The first way you can do it is you can sign up for Canva Pro as a teacher. So you can go up here to education, click on teachers and schools, and you can click on the teachers get verified button here. Now what this will do is bring up this information. You fill in your first and last name, your school name and school address, and the school website, and you can get Canva Pro for free. The other way you can do it is to, if you're part of a nonprofit organization, you can get free access to Canva Pro through nonprofit program. When you sign up for Canva Pro, you'll see an option. It'll ask you if you work at a nonprofit or not on the bottom left here. You click on that, and then you put in your the company name and the ID of the company. If you sign up with your company email, it's actually very easy. It's a very easy process. They'll just send you an email asking you to confirm that you are indeed a nonprofit, and you say okay, and they will give it to you for free. The third option is, of course, a free trial. You can get a free trial for 30 days initially, of course. And the fifth option is a referral. So basically, someone has a team. And then in this team, you can invite as many people as you want, up to 500, as long as you have their email address. And this is free for the person joining as a team, and this will only cost money for the person running the team. Now, if you want this, I do have my own team here. So if you can put your email address into the comment section, I'll send you an invite when I see the comment. Thank you very much.